fact, everyone loves a cheese platter. Well, unless you're vegan or lactose intolerant, or you don't like cheese. But for everyone else, these little canapes are going to elevate your cheese platter to the next level. I use these little flavour bombs at every catering gig I do. They're Parmesan biscuits with pesto cream. Let's get started with the Parmesan biscuits. While the pastry is chilling, we can get on to making our pesto cream. Seal up your piping bag and put it in the fridge for when you're ready to serve. I've got to say, this also makes an awesome pasta sauce. Just put it through some hot pasta for an instant dinner.